Kei ngā maunga whakahi a tēnā iwi, a tēnā iwi. E te tī, e te tā, tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Kere Amateua hau, ko au te kaitohu Māori mō Ngātoi Māori, kei toi Aotearoa. My name is Kere Amateua. I'm the Arts Practice Director for Ngātoi Māori here at Creative New Zealand, toi Aotearoa. Did you know that Māori were significantly more likely to have engaged in the arts online and donated to the arts and culture of Aotearoa compared to your average New Zealander? Ka mau te wehi, ne? Not only that, we use TikTok and Facebook to find our information. I better get working on my flossing skills, ne? And that's just some of the information that we've learned from our recent research. It's the largest study of audiences in Aotearoa and something that we've been doing for more than a decade now. We can tell you a lot more about our research in our up-and-coming Zui in March 2022. We'll cover what Māori audiences are interested in and tell you about the broader market for Ngātoi Māori, who's enjoying Māori arts, who's not, who wants to but has not yet been persuaded. So whether you're an artist or an arts practitioner, or you belong to an arts organisation, this Zui can help you with your audience strategies and your programming. Our research has heard from more than 6,700 people in Aotearoa over the age of 16, with a boosted sample of 996 Māori to make sure that we have accurate and representative data. So join me and the research team from Morris Hargreaves McIntyre for a kaputi, a kawhi and a kōrero. In the meantime, check out the full Audience Atlas report linked below. We'll also be releasing summary reports including one focused on Māori audiences and the broader market for Ngātoi Māori ahead of the Zui in March. So look out for the summaries and the Zui announcements on our Facebook page. Te manu e kai anei te miro no nā te ngāhere. Te manu e kai anei te mātauranga no nā te ao e te iwi. Have a great summer. We look forward to seeing you guys back in March. Kia haumari te noho. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā tātou.